index of method. So what we are doing here, it will returns the index value of the first occurrence of the given value. So what it will return? So it will returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified character. Okay. So now we will just go with a few more concepts or a few more methods. Okay. So here I will just write the syntax of it. Whenever I am going with the index of, it is more of like index of. Here we have to write the reference variable. Here I need to specify the particular character. So here I will just write the character in the single quotes we have to mention. So then only it will considered as a character. So I will just write one example. So in the S1 string, that is S1 of Java, so we have two different A's, right? So now what I will do, I want to print, so what is the index of character A inside that Java. So as I mentioned, it will provide the first occurrence value. That means, so whenever I am trying to put this and I am just executing this index of A, right? So it will provide the answer as 1. Here you can see two A's are there, but the thing is initial A is occurred at the position of 1, right? So that is where I am getting the output as 1. Okay. So after this we have around 17 different methods are there. Okay. So the fourth method is equals, and compare to is there, equals, ignore case is there. So basically these methods are used to whenever you are going with the email IDs, right? So at that time, so you may use the email ID in the lowercase or uppercase, but by default it will take it as a lowercase only. Even if you are mentioning your email ID in uppercase, so it will take it as a lowercase. Why it is so? It is just because it will convert the uppercase characters into lowercase character, and then it will store it in a database. So even after, if you are entering in uppercase, first it will convert it to lowercase. After that, it will take it to its database. So that also we can do. So first we will go with the fourth method. What is that method? That is called equals. Here we will just write the new object. Okay. So what it will do? It will compare the object. So what it will do? It will compare the string to the specified object. What it is do? Compares string to specified. So this is what it will do. So I will just go with the syntax of it. Okay. So here what I will do, S1, this is a reference variable of the object. Sorry, reference variable of string I will write. Here inside that dot, and here I need to use equals. Then inside this I want to give the reference variable of object. This is how you can write the syntax of it. Okay, so we will execute it once we are completing with all the methods. Okay, so then we have fifth method, that is compare to. Here we have to pass the string. So what it will return? What is the use of it? It will compare the two different strings that is given in the case. Okay, so but it will provide the value in the form of numeric. Okay, so we will just write that compares the value, compare the two different string values and provide the output in the form of number or in the form of numeric. Syntax. So what is the syntax we have? That is s1 dot compare to this is how we can provide the compare to method. The sixth method, that is two lowercase method. Okay, this method will convert your string into lowercase. Whatever the string you are returning, the same string, what it will do, it will convert that entire string into lowercase. That is what we will call it as a two lowercase method. So it will return the lower case string for the given string. Okay, so what is the syntax for this? Whenever we are going with the syntax of two lower, what we have to do, we have to use the reference variable. Here I will just write reference dot to lower. This is what the method we have. So similarly, we have to uppercase also. What it will do, it will convert the given string into uppercase. Okay, to uppercase. It will convert the given string into uppercase. So how we can go with the syntax? That is reference variable dot to uppercase. Okay, so these are the 7 methods. Along with these 7 methods, we have get bytes, we have get byte values with the character string, value of. Okay, these are the some of the examples for your methods. Along with that, we have, after introducing JDK 1.4, so whatever the methods till now we learned, those are initial JDK edition. Okay, after JDK 1.4, we have some more methods called match. That is, matches is there, replace first is there, replace all is there, and then we have start with and ends with. These are the methods we have inside our Java. There are so many different methods are there. There are totally 21 matching methods are there. So however your JDK is growing, each time they are including some of the methods. So after JDK 8, it is a huge difference with the JDK before version. So before version, we have only limited methods, only limited access kind of thing. But now it is not like that. So we can write our own codes and we can send that to the community if it is a good one. So then what they will do, they will just give you a access to edit it. So this is how now this Java corporate is running. So they are asking the people who are using Java, they want them to implement it. Okay, so that is where nowadays we have n number of different methods whenever we are going with the strings. Okay, so I will send a few more objects, that is few more methods with the help of strings in the afternoon session. Okay, because additionally we have so many methods like value is there, format is there, blank is there, is empty is there. These are a formatting, these are comes under formatting. So that is where regular expression method and formatting expression method we will discuss in afternoon session. Okay, and if you have any doubts related to this, just let me know. Dot caret of 0. Yes, very good, Akshay. So any doubts? So far with the string methods, maybe we have discussed only 7 methods it seems. So we will just try to some codes based on that. Okay. So here initially I will just declare one string object, string s1 is equals to Java space programming. Now what I want is, I will just open this. Here you can see what is the first method we have, that is caret index. So now what I want to do is I want to present, so what is the character at position 5. Okay, so I will just go with the println statement. S1 dot char at of 5. Just run this. We are getting the value as 5. How it is? J is a 0th, A is a 1, V is a 2, A is a 4, P is a 5, right? So this is what the character we have. So it will provide only character. Okay. So now, so after this, I will just go with the 4. We are getting space. How it is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth place is blank, so that is where it is not printing anything. I will go with the 3. Okay, so this is how we can use the caret method. So after caret, what is the next method we learnt about? That is length. So now what I will do, I will write the for loop. So this is caret method. Okay, so next method is length. So now I will just write the for loop in order to print each and every character present in the S1 string. So for that I will just go with the int I is equals to 0, I is less than S1 dot, what is S1 dot length method, then I plus. Here I will just write println statement. I want to print each and every character inside the S1. So that I will use S1 of I. So I just write a print statement. after this I will just concatenate that with the slash. So one second. Not keeping. What happened? Okay. So whenever you are displaying any of the string elements, so it needs to be if you are printing each and every character present inside that. So first we have to convert that string into a character array, then we have to use that. Okay, so that's what the error we are getting. So just remove this. I will discuss this character in the afternoon session. That is just because whenever we are going with the formatting methods, at that time only we can convert that into a real string into character string. Sorry, character array. Okay, so now I will just write the println statement. Println s1 dot length s1 dot length. Now we are getting the length as 16. So you just read this, just count this 4 space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 characters are there inside that string. That is where it is providing the answer as string 16. So what is the third method we have? That is index of. Index of particular character. So we will just write index of method. So just println statement. I will just provide index of. We just write A as a character. We are getting the answer as 1, that is J is 0, 1 is a A. So that is where I am getting the answer as 1. That is the index value of A. So similarly, when we have this equals, so we need two different objects, right? So now what I will do, I will just go with the string. String s2 is equals to same value I will print. Equals method. Println s1 dot equals of s2. We are comparing s1 and s2. Since both the strings are containing the same values, it is providing the answer as true. Okay. So why we use equals to symbol? So equals to symbol is used to find out what is the address of the given string. Okay, when we are going with the equals method, it will check the value, whatever the value we have inside that string, that it will check. Okay, if you want to compare the value inside the string, then you have to go with the equals method. If you just want to check the address of the given string, then you have to go with the equals to method. Okay, so after equals we have compare to. Okay, so just go with the one. So here you just see, here I will just do compare to method, println statement s1 dot compare to s2. Okay, here you can see S1 is containing 1 as an extra, or else I will go with the G. Run this. We are getting the answer as 1. That means first string is greater than the second string. So that is what the output we can expect here. So now what I will do, I will remove this G and I will add the G here. Just run this. Now you can see it is providing the value as -1. That means, so second string is greater than first string. So it will compare all the ASCII values, and if any of the characters is more inside a string 2, then it will provide the negative answer. If the string 1 is greater, then it will provide the positive answer. Okay, so this is what we will call it as compare to method. So after compare to, we have 2 lower and 2 upper. So here you can see Java programming is entirely in a lower case. Now what I will do, I will just go with the lower case, that is 2 upper case. All the characters present inside that array is in lower case. I just want to update that lower case element into upper case element. So upper case method println s1 dot to upper case now you can see we are getting Java programming. So now what I will do, I will remove this programming. Now I want to reduce that uppercase letters into lowercase letters. For that we have a method called to lowercase println s2 dot to lowercase now you can see we are getting Java programming in a lower case. So this is how you can use the methods that is present before JDK 1.4. These are the methods which it was there inside your JDK 1.4 version. So after that, what all the methods we got to know and what all the methods are implemented, that we will discuss in the afternoon session. Okay. So far, if you have any doubts, just let me know in this strings. Okay, that may be related to methods, features, anything. Just mention JDK before JDK 1.4. Any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So now just give me your attendance. After that we will discuss about some things related to your projects. Okay, Umar. Umar HB. Darshan, Sujan, Harsha, Afrid, Abhijit, Balaji, present. Sanjana, present. Kaushik,
Present.
present. Anantesh,
Present, ma'am.
present. Sahan,
Present.
Rakshit, Vignesh, Amrita,
Present.
Shreyas, Samrut,
Yes, ma'am.
Sandesh, Akshay,
Present, ma'am.
Nishant,
Present, ma'am.
Sonia,
Present, ma'am.
Swati,
Present, ma'am.
Ajay,
Present, ma'am.
Rohan, Munish, Pratham,
Present, ma'am.
Sandesh, Sushant, Sushant, Karthik,
Present, ma'am.
Karthikeyan, Nandan,
Present, ma'am.
Anish,
Present, ma'am.
Nitesh, Vivek, Srivatsa, so I have updated all the attendance. Okay, so Nitesh updated. So I asked you to prepare your requirement collection, right? So how many teams are done? How many teams are done with your requirement collection? One second. Okay. So now raise your hands. How many teams are done with this requirement collections? So Dishant and team is done. What about other teams? From team, just raise your only one person. Okay, so if you two are in the same group, then either of you can raise your hand. Rohan, Dishant, Shakti, 2 teams. Okay, so what about 3 more teams? Okay, so the thing is today afternoon we will just see what all the requirement collections you guys did, okay, so far, and we will just review that. So that will be helpful when you are going with your final project. For your report we have around 20 marks. Okay, so in the report, in the sense what all the documentation parts you guys did, so for that only we are providing 15 to 20 marks. Okay, remaining will be your implementation part and the steps of software development. So mind maps, flow diagrams, for each and every documentation we will provide some of the marks. Okay, for functional requirements also you have some of the marks. Okay, so that is why try to focus on that requirement collection. Try to visit some of the applications and check whether how they are working. Okay, and what is the flow of the application execution. So kind of things you have to observe that, and you have to implement it inside your real world project. Okay, so far some of the students are posting your requirement collections inside your Google Classroom. Just update it. I will review and I will update you guys. So what all the things need to be changed inside that particular requirement. So any other doubts? Any other doubts? So if you don't have any doubts, just to work on your requirement collections. Along with that, please be thorough in the conceptual wise also. Once you guys are stepping into your projects, so then you have to be very careful about the concepts that we discussed so far. That is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Each and every step need to be revised. After that, you can start with your projects. So start with your front end. Okay, front end in the sense, first we will just this week we will finish it off all the documentation parts, mind map, flow diagrams, each and every part. After that we will go with the project implementation. Okay. So today's your task is requirement collection completion and mind map completion. Okay, so you guys are 5 in a team, right? So 2 can work on this mind map and remaining 3 can work on the requirement collection. So by the end of the day, I need all the teams need to be submitted their requirements and along with that mind maps. So today only I will update the marks. Okay. So thank you. Just work on it. Okay. If you are stuck in between, just let me know in the Google Classroom. I will help you guys. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day. So today's task is you have to complete the pending task. That is your mind map and your requirement collection. That's it. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day.